Love music and AI. Here's how to make money with Suno V4 AI music in 2025. No studio needed. Step 1. Get familiar with Suno V4. It's an AI music generator that lets you create full tracks with just a prompt, lyrics, genre, and mood. Step 2. Create original songs. Use the tool to generate music for content creators, podcasts, ads, or your own projects. You own the rights to what you make. Step 3. Monetize smartly. Sell your tracks on platforms like BeatStars, Airbit, or Pond5. Offer custom song commissions on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 4. Grow a brand. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Spotify artist profile with your AI-made music. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, or streaming royalties. Step 5. Bundle your skills. Pair A. Music with lyrics writing, voiceovers, or video editing to offer full creative packages. And remember, with Suno V4, your creativity scales, and so can your income. Start creating today. The future of music is in your hands.